Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JJ Education. Today I have started new one series which is related to MBA degree. And in this particular playlist, I'll be cover videos related to benefits of doing MBA, then course detail about MBA degree and the scope of doing MBA in different fields. Okay, so if you want to watch this type of video, then stay tuned with my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet my channel, then please subscribe it. Also press bell icon so that you will receive notification at first. Now in this particular video, I'll be share information related to benefits of doing MBA. Because so many students are there who are still confused about what to expect from this MBA degree, right? So now let's start with today's video. See, the first thing you need to do when you decide pursuing MBA is ask yourself why MBA. Because there are hardly any students who have a clear idea about what to expect from this MBA degree. Actually, it is not their fault, but we all are living in an area where everyone wants to become an MBA. It has now trending, and people just make their decision without knowing purpose behind it. So probably that's why the business school ask their students at the time of interview that why you have pursued MBA as a degree. Because they want to know that if you really know the purpose behind it or you just jumped out because it's trending. Alright? Basically, there are countless benefits of doing MBA are there, and I'll be sharing top 5 reasons out of it, through which you can have an idea about what to expect from this MBA degree. Okay? Okay, so the first reason is career growth. If you have an MBA degree, then there are plenty of opportunities available for promotion. Now, if I talk about companies, then they will give first preference to the MBA employees, because they thought that MBA employees have a required knowledge regarding management role, rather comparing to employees who does not have MBA degree. So we can say that getting an MBA can help you to open the door for top hierarchy. Okay. Now the second reason is subject specialization. See, this can be also considered as a good point that why you should pursue MBA as a degree, because it is the program through which you can be master in your personal interest area. Like there are so many business schools are there which provides specialization to the students. For example, finance, HR, marketing, then entrepreneurship, information technology, supply chain management, sports management, hotel management, etc. So you can be MBA in your personal area. And nowadays, biz schools also ask students to select more than one specialization. So this is also a good point. Now the third reason is networking opportunity. See, networking and relationship building matters a lot when you enter into corporate world. Like when you start your corporate life, you have to meet with so many industry leaders, plus you have to interact with them. And then you go to company visits which will add your learning experience. So we can say that through this program, networking opportunity is available. Now the fourth reason is entrepreneurship ability. See, there are so many students who pursue MBA because they want to become an entrepreneur. And nowadays there are so many biz schools are also there which provides entrepreneurship as a specialization. In that, what the students will do it, they learn from the professor about the different process, they work for entrepreneurship projects, and also it allows them to make their own business plan. See, the entrepreneurship training which is provided by biz schools to the students does not limit it to prepare them for their own business, but it also prepare graduates for across different career paths. For example, business development, then corporate innovation, venture capital, and many more. Now the last reason is managerial skills. MBA aspirants can learn skills related to leadership, then team building and negotiation. Okay, and they are also able to improve their interpersonal skill, then presentation skill by way of different communication skills. So we can say that MBA does not enables you to gain just knowledge, but it also imparts your soft skill. And you will find a huge difference between who you are before MBA and after MBA. Alright? Okay guys, so here I am done with my today's video. Hope my speech will helpful to you to clear all doubts related to MBA degree. And still if you have any doubts, you can write in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we will see course detail about MBA degree, like which type of entrance exam you need to do for getting admission in MBA degree and what will be the job opportunities in MBA. So see you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.